Namaskar and welcome everyone. Myself Dr. Vartika Jain, Secretary, Society for Microvital Research and Integrated Medicine, Udaipur, Rajasthan, India, would like to draw your attention towards some of the very prominent and historical activities of society. Society was built to study the science of microvita and integrated medicine, and with the objectives of propagation of science of microvita, that is microvitology, given by Shri P.R. Sarkar in 1986, and also to generate scientific thinking at various levels, to start research on various systems of medicine incorporating faculties of science and medicine. So with these objectives, society was registered on 21st August 2008. Until now, 116 life members have been enrolled and fellowships have been awarded to some of the very important researchers in the field of microvita and integrated medicine. And this is showing some of the prominent and historical events in the country which are related to Society for Microvita Research and Integrated Medicine. This is the first academic society in our country which is working on propagation of concept of microvita. We are regularly publishing a quarterly bulletin on microvita research since 2009. We have first time organized 2 international microvita seminars here at Udaipur in India in 2012 and 2016. We have first time started celebrating Microvita Day on 31st December, which was the first day on which Shri P.R. Sarkar gave the concept of microvita, and the society has first time coined new terminologies related to microvita, which I am going to show you in the next slides. So this is the quarterly publication of our bulletin since 2009, and the 10th volume has been released in 2018, and in 2020 we are going to publish its 12th volume. The international standard serial number have been given to this bulletin in 2013, and since 2015 we have started publishing theme-based bulletin, and the first guest editor was Hank Diviger and the second was Dr. D.K. Verma, who published the bulletin on the theme Mind Behind Homeopathy. As I have already told that we have started celebrating Microvita Day on 31st December, and these are the new terminologies related to microvita. First is microvitology, second microvitopathy, third microvitopsychopathy, and recently microvitocytology in 2019. And these are the original contributions from society. This is the glimpse of first international seminar on microvita research, which was held on 24th March 2012 in Udaipur, Rajasthan. And the second international seminar on microvita research was organized on 8th April 2016, and very renowned speakers have come from all over the world. Propagation of this microvita concept is also being done by delivering lectures at various places through different platforms. For example, this is The Mysterious World of Microvita, The Path of Human Welfare. It was delivered in International Seminar on Microvita Research at Udaipur. Science, Spirituality and Beyond, in the seminar organized in the memory of Dr. D.S. Kothari at Udaipur in 2014. Then Mind, Medicine and Microvita, again in the International Seminar on Microvita Research at Udaipur in 2016. Biopsychology, Spirituality Based Approach for Mental Health in 2019 at Udaipur. Syndromic Categorization of Arthropod-borne Viral Diseases and Their Management through Microvitology, a Physico-Psycho-Spiritual Approach in the National Symposium on Multilateral Initiatives Against Arboviral Diseases, recently held in Udaipur in January 2020. We have first time organized biopsychology based 7 days Yogasan seminar in 2015 to differentiate between the real meaning of Yoga and Yogasan, and it got wide coverage in the media also, with a very good attendance also, and a talk on socio-economic philosophy, Proud, as given by Shri P.R. Sarkar. It was also held in 2015, and the main speaker was Acharya Nitya Shuddhanandji from Kahira. Then recently we organized a meeting on traditions and modernization on 14 June 2018, and the main speaker was IPS Shri Haranandji. Then we also organized a seminar among medical students on Yoga Day on 21st June in Pacific Medical College and Hospital, Sudapur. We also celebrated 40th Koshiki Divas on 6th September 2018, and importance of this dance at physical, mental and spiritual level was also discussed. Then we have also celebrated Prabhat Sangeet Divas on 14th September. On 7th October 2018, we organized a meeting, a dialogue on psychology, microvitalogy and neo-humanistic ideology with the speakers Acharya Shambhu Shivanandji and Dr. Sid Jordan. In the coming years, we are planning to have more national and regional level seminars on microvita research, and would also like to start collaborative research work on integrated medicine and its implication in human diseases, and integration of research work on microvita science with other faculties. We also want to work towards solution of local ecological problems and steps for their solutions. So with this, I would like to request you all to join the society for a noble cause for human welfare. Thank you very much.